Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Be More Joyful.com reviews from United States. Let's see whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. Over this website, you can shop the collection of KC fans, Steeler fans, bottom, accessories, hoodies, outwear, so many products. You can shop. You can see there are many products along with their reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment option. So payment they receive by major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, etc. So let's go to the shipping policy. So they say that they do free shipping on orders over $59. So they have confirmed processing, shipping and delivery process. So for shipping it will take usually 7 to 10 business days. So let's talk about legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. So now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. So guys, this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 19th November 2020 and expires on 19th November 2021. That means it is very recently registered website and for a shorter period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. So here you get few information about the website, but you don't get the information about the founder and owner, who is the owner of this website or any identity of this website. So that is about one negative point regarding this. So let's go to the contact address. So guys, the contact address, the physical address they have not given, and there is no phone number as well, but you can get the email ID as service@bemorejoyful.com. So that is also one negative point, as they have not mentioned any physical address and phone number to contact. So let's go to the social media presence. So guys, it is not available on social media. I can say it is not very popular website. As you can see, it is not given anywhere. If you Google it also, it is not available on social media. So that is also one negative point about this website. So let's go to the return and refund policy. So they accept return within 30 days if you return the products, and they do full refund. So let's go to the customer reviews. So in the website they say there is no reviews yet. So they have not given any reviews of the any products. So if you Google it also, I don't see any reviews about the website. So it is not rated yet. So guys, the content detailing is quite fine. There is no spelling errors. The products are not well specified. I can see the duplicate images. So guys, based on the above discussion, I can say this website is possibly a suspicious website because I can see there are few negative points. So I advise you to check all the points, do your research effectively before buying any products from this website. So guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, Please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.